To give us a message, let's give it up to Honorable Essex Baronia.
There was a time that we the gays are called mess in the society. But look at us now. We are the ones who dominate the world with beauty, fashion, art, and we are slowly entering the world of politics. Those were the famous lines when I was still at the stage, just like the other candidates. There was a time that I was also joining contests such as this. And not to carry my own stool, I also was crowned queen, and sometimes not. The message that I want to impart to all of you is that saan nyo apong lalaisin dagiti padami kunakman na po. In every little way, we are helping the nation, much more to the community that we live in. Aan pa'y apo nga panangiangat mo iti bangkomi, nangagkutatay ko na di may isang kandidata, we have that dual personality. We can be a man and we can also be a woman. So we also have the thinking of a girl and a boy as well. Dito kong kunada apo nga mas napigpig sa kay Nor Arigan. Kasi dito maarami ti may sa tao, good wala ang iti maarami ti may sa nga kaskanyami. At dapat ginangag ko apo nga criticism is our inspiration. Dito apo ti agdan nga araramatan mi, kuno pagpagnaan mi, tapno mapan kami iti successful life that we wanna be. Santay ko mga lalaisin dagiti 36 sa kongkulado when members of the LGBT kasi tao damot laeng apo masaksaktan no pampanutan tayo apo nakaragragsak kami pero deep inside we are hurt kadagiti amin nga panglalais yung pet itang arabi di mawatak apo kini apo mayorta kaya't kumad apo nga ipakita nga the LGBT family kat anda talaga serbina. So we were given the chance by the Honorable Mayor Dominic Valera and the Honorable Congresswoman nga itang arabi kat iso iti naited kada kami nga rabi imat rabi nga panang ipakita no siya sino kami nga talaga nga we can be really that successful in life. So, thank you very much for coming and more so, thank you for accepting us. Thank you very much and good evening.